The Walker Model T is one of our most powerful and versatile mowers. It's no wonder the T23, T25i, and T30i have been mainstays among commercial operators for decades. Have you ever wished for one commercial mower that could handle virtually any job you could imagine? So have we, and we call it the Walker Model T. When you introduce a Model T to your mowing fleet, you win back precious time on every job. The Walker Model T will quickly become the go-to mower in your fleet. Schedule a no-obligation demonstration today to try a T23, T25i, or T30i on your lawn.